origin of Bagobo. In the beginning, there lived one man and one woman, Toglay and Toglibon. Their first children were a boy and a girl. When they were old enough, the boy and the girl went far away across the waters seeking a good place to live. Nothing more was heard of them until their children, the Spaniards and Americans, came back. After the first boy and girl left, other children were born to the couple, but they all remained at Sibolan on Mount Apo with their parents until Toglay and Toglibon died and became spirits. Soon after that there came a great drought, which lasted for 3 years. All the waters dried up, so that there were no rivers, and no plants could live. "Surely," said the people, "Manama is punishing us, and we must go elsewhere to find food and a place to dwell in." So they started out. 2 went in the direction of the sunset, carrying with them stones from Sibolan River. After a long journey, they reached a place where there were broad fields of kogon grass and an abundance of water. And there they made their home. Their children still live in that place and are called Maguindanao because of the stones which the couple carried when they left Sibolan. 2 children of Toglay and Toglibon went to the south, seeking a home, and they carried with them women's baskets, baraan. When they found a good spot, they settled down. Their descendants, still dwelling at that place, are called baraan or bilaan because of the women's baskets. So 2 by 2, the children of the first couple left the land of their birth. In the place where each settled, a new people developed, and thus it came about that all the tribes in the world received their names from things that the people carried out of Sibolan, or from the places where they settled. All the children left Mount Apo, save 2, a boy and a girl, whom hunger and thirst had made too weak to travel. One day, when they were about to die, the boy crawled out to the field to see if there was one living thing, and to his surprise, he found a stalk of sugar cane growing lustily. He eagerly cut it, and enough water came out to refresh him and his sister until the rains came. Because of this, their children are called Bagobo. The origin of Bagobo.